Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about transferring your Windows 11 license to a new computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do here, it's going to be very simple. First thing you want to do is actually locate your product key. And I will have a link in the description of the video to this tutorial about how to locate your product key. Welcome to check that out first before you proceed any further in this tutorial. So once you have your product key in hand, we're going to go ahead and open up the search menu. Type in PowerShell. Best result should come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. So in order to uninstall your product key, again, you should make sure you have it nearby before you do this because we're going to be uninstalling it. So go ahead and copy the first command I'm going to have in the description of the video here, guys. So just highlight over it, right click and copy. And then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Go ahead and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once you've done that, it should say Uninstalled Product Key successfully. So once you've done that, the product key has been removed from this computer, and there will be a second command in the description of the video for the command you're going to paste into the computer you want to transfer the license to. Again, it'll be in the description of the video, and there'll be a little asterisk, and it'll say your product key here. So just paste in that command into like a notepad file, and then type in the command including the dashes, and then type in the product key including the dashes, and then you would just hit enter, and then it would install the product key. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.